people who've succeeded on TikTok and got thousands and thousands of followers have their inbox flooded with people who literally want to pay you money, but you're not answering them because it's too overwhelming to go and answer each one. Now check this out. Imagine this is your TikTok and you had this button next to each of your messages. Imagine it was this easy to respond to people. You literally click on one of them just like this. All of a sudden, you get a message that will literally match your business information and will respond, whether it's a quick and brief response or a more detailed one. Now, if you look at this message that it will write for you, it will literally split up the message into two. First of all, it will say hi and the person's name if it can find it in the history, and then it will explain the information about your business. Let's click on it and see if it actually works. Check this out. Hi Daniel, it's splitting it into two messages. Now it's writing the second message. Now this is much less overwhelming, and now I can go to the next message and go on and on and on, answering all the people in detail, personally, with their name, absolutely solving my problem, making my life easy, and not letting money flow right through my fingers. Because anyone who's been viral on TikTok knows that your inbox is going to get flooded if you do not you know what I mean? If you go viral, if you make it in life, if you make it in business, that means you need systems to be able to cater to those thousands and thousands of messages. And now let me show you how I did that and how simple it really is. If I click on the extension right now, you'll see I have profile here. Now you can have a number of profiles. Maybe you have multiple TikTok accounts, but let's go into one of these profiles, my course promotion channel. If I click on edit here, I can literally tell it all of the information that it needs to know about my business, like all the questions, how many modules in my course, how much it costs to join the course. And that's it. Once it has all my information, it literally knows what to answer any question that it receives within TikTok. How simple is that? So definitely check out this solations.com. You can find it there, add it to Chrome, test it out. If it works for you, then it solves your problem. No longer will your inbox be full of people that you just ignore. Like imagine you work so hard, you finally go viral, and then you ignore everyone. Come on, let's do things properly. See you in the next video.